changing the 2017 TLX Acura rear brake. So yeah, here's the e-brake. You need a 45 torque to unscrew that. So this is a 13 millimeter. Right here, remove this too. Yeah. So basically you have to remove both bolts in order to take this out because of the e-brake that's sticking out. Okay, to remove the e-brake, right, I just did the remover, so you need a T30 to remove this. So it's 2 screws right there and also right there, and then you can just snap it off. Let's see. You take this off right here. So there, put on the side, and you need to. That's a T45. You have to just turn that until it stops clockwise, and then you can use this to push this in, pistol in. Okay, here's a T45. Yep, so you just turn it clockwise until it stops. That's it, so it stops. See, now you can take it out. Now you can use a pistol to push that in. So here's the inner here. So with this one, you put this, and you put this black shell here, and then you also put this on top of it. On the outside here, all you need to do is just put the black stuff on, that's it, and then you put lubricate on it, oil and anti-seize. So without doing the e-brake back that I showed you earlier using the T45, you cannot push the pistol in. So now once you loosen that thing up, you can push it in so that you can put the new brake in. There you go, now it's nice and flush. There you go, new brake in. All I need to do is just add anti-seize to this side, both sides. Okay, adding it. So now I need to put that back in, and first I need to put the e-brake back in there and screw back in. All right, okay, all done. Put everything back in, e-brake back in, everything. So now I'm doing the front brake. Good thing the front brake does not have a e-brake, so it's only the e-brake's only at the back. Okay, got this piston up, so that's the front brake. Gotta push that piston in. Okay, now we just turn this to level it to make it even. There you go. Okay, got the new brake in. There you go. Now I gotta put that the piston. I already push it in. All done. 4 tires.